In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit business name in Printify. If you've rebranded, updated your company identity, or just need to fix a typo, changing your business name in Printify is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open Printify and head to your account details page. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel there. This sidebar is where you'll access your account settings. Scroll to the bottom of that left panel and click on your account. It might appear as your profile icon or your account label depending on your view. This will open options related to your user profile and settings. Next, select My Account. This takes you into your account details area, which is where your core profile information lives. Take a brief moment here to confirm you're in the right place. You should see fields like your name, email, and most importantly for this video, the business name field. Find the business name section. This is the name that can appear on receipts, invoices, and communications associated with your Printify account, so it's worth getting it exactly right. If you're updating a brand, consider the exact capitalization and spacing you want customers to see. Click into the field and delete your current store name. If you think you might want to reference it later, you can quickly copy it before you remove it. After clearing the field, type in your new business name precisely as you want it displayed. Keep it clean and professional. Avoid unnecessary special characters or extra punctuation, and make sure it aligns with any store names you use on connected platforms for consistency. When you're satisfied with the new name, click Submit. This saves your change and applies it to your account. In most cases, the update is immediate, though it may take a moment to reflect everywhere. If you don't see the change right away, a quick page refresh can help. Also note that if you manage multiple stores inside Printify, your business name here is account level. Store display names can be managed separately within each store's settings. And that's it. You've successfully edited your business name in Printify, a simple update that helps keep your brand consistent and professional across your orders and communications. If you're continuing a rebrand, this is a great time to align your logos, product titles, and policies to match the new name.